Ever seen an AI describe a photo so convincingly, but then get the basics completely wrong? Like it says there's a red car in a picture, but the car's actually blue. That's called semantic hallucination, and it's a big problem for AI models that try to understand both images and text. So what's causing this? These models, called large multimodal models or LMMs, often focus too much on the words and not enough on the actual visuals. They'll generate answers that sound right, but don't match what's in the image. Think of it like a friend who's great at storytelling, but terrible at paying attention to details. Here's the catch. When these models see text in images, like a sign, a license plate, or a menu, they don't always see it. Instead, they guess based on what they've learned from training data. If the text is blurry, distorted, or just plain weird, the AI might invent words it thinks should be there. It's not a bug, it's a flaw in how the model reads the world. But researchers are on the case. They discovered the issue often starts in the model's attention mechanism, the part that decides where to focus. If the AI's spotlight drifts away from real text, it starts making up answers. The solution? 2 clever tools. First, ZoomText, like a detective's process. The model first takes a wide-angle look at the image, spotting potential text areas. Then it zooms in, refining its focus like a magnifying glass. No extra tools needed. Second, grounded layer correction, the AI version of fact-checking. It uses the parts of the model best at spotting real text to correct mistakes in other areas. Think of it like reading a menu in a noisy cafe. ZoomText is scanning the whole menu first, then focusing on the blurry part. Grounded layer correction is asking a friend who's good at reading small print to verify the details. Together, they keep the AI from inventing words. To prove this works, researchers created a tough new benchmark called TextHalu-Bench. Unlike old tests with clear text, this one throws in tricky stuff, blurry signs, weird fonts, and even random numbers. It's like giving the AI a puzzle with missing pieces to see if it can still solve it without cheating. And guess what? Models using these techniques saw a 20% reduction in hallucinations across the board. One model's accuracy on a math problem benchmark jumped by 0.8%, a tiny number, but in AI terms, it's a huge leap toward reliability. Why does this matter? Picture an AI helping a driver read a road sign or a robot sorting documents. If the AI starts hallucinating, it could miss critical details, potentially endangering lives. This research isn't just about fixing errors, it's about making AI trustworthy in high-stakes situations. Here's the best part, their method is efficient. It doesn't slow things down or require extra training. It works with existing models, like a software update that makes AI smarter without rewriting the code. So next time you see an AI at work, remember, scientists are hard at work making sure it's not just guessing. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts on AI hallucinations in the comments below.